Welcome to our tutorial on how to hide your location on Snapchat with the latest updates. Follow these simple steps to safeguard your privacy while using the app. To get started, go to your device settings where you can manage various app permissions and settings. Within the settings menu, locate the location option and tap on it to access location-related settings. Next, navigate to App Permissions to view and modify the permissions granted to different apps on your device. Look for Snapchat in the list of apps and select it to customize the location permissions specifically for the Snapchat app. Finally, within the Snapchat settings, choose the option Don't Allow to prevent the app from accessing your location information. By following these steps, you can ensure that your location remains private while using Snapchat, giving you more control over your privacy settings within the app. Protecting your location data is essential in maintaining your online privacy and security. Take charge of your Snapchat location settings today and enjoy a more secure and private experience on the platform.